Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to online classes and have a very pleasant morning to all of you. Now, I, Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to start a new chapter from uh, Honeydew, and the chapter name is Bipin Chaudhary Lapse of Memory. So, this chapter is about the lapse of memory. And can you tell me from which a movie it correlate? You can answer it in the comment section. Now before we read, we have to understand few things about the memory. Now let us read. Do you have a good memory? Have your memory ever played any trick on you? Now these are the questions you have to ask from yourself. Now forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot, but forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. Since somebody came in this story and told him that he was at Ranchi in past, he has never been to Ranchi. He insists, though there are many witnesses to the contrary. What is the suspense all about? So we are going to discover the suspense in this story. Got it? Now let us start. In the first para, we'll read it. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kali Charan's in New Market to buy books. Crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. He had to buy at least five at a time to last him through the week. He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends, and did not like spending time in idle chat. Today at Kalicharan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. He turned around and found himself looking at a round faced, meek looking man who now broke into a smile. I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls. So, dear student, in this first para, the narrator says that this whole incident took place at a bookshop where this protagonist of this chapter, the protagonist means the main character of the story, was found buying book at a bookstore while coming back from his work. So he was so fond of reading stories, like crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers, and he used to actually read these all stories, these all books, the whole week. So in this story, it has been mentioned that he had to buy at least five at a time to last him through this week. And apart from that, the narrator suggests, the in writer says that actually he was not a good mixer. It means he was not a sociable person. He does not like to be in the uh, groups of people, and that's why he was having very less friends. And actually he did not like to spend more time like in idle chat and doing gossiping with friends and society people. So that's why he used to spend his time more on the stories books rather than spending time with other persons or friends. Now when he was buying that book, at that time a person was gazing at him, or you can say stalking at him, and he was not quite far from him. And Bipin Babu actually smelt it. He felt it like somebody is gazing at him, and then the conversation starts between both of them. And when it starts, the person who was gazing at Bipin Babu, actually he starts having a communication with him. When Bipin Babu asked him that I don't suppose you recognize me, and he asks a question that have we met before, kabhi hum pehle mile hain. These were the things actually asked by Bipin Babu, and in reply to that question, the man actually looked greatly surprised, जो काफ़ी अचंभित हो गया था, आश्चर्यचकित हो गया था इन सवालों से. एंड ही सेड यस, हम लोग हर दिन पूरे एक हफ्ते के लिए मिले थे. एंड द पर्सन हैज़ अरेंज्ड अ कार फॉर हिम to the Hundru Fall. Hundru Fall is a place in Ranchi. It's a visiting place. People used to go there, spend time. Now you can see the whole scene was plotted here in this. Was in this bookstore. As you can see, how Bipin Babu is standing here near the bookshelves, and the person is gazing at him, and then the communication starts. Now in 1958 in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh, Ranchi. So the person who was talking with him, communicating with him, he actually reminds him, बतलाता है कि 1958 में रांची में मेरा नाम परिमल घोष है. तो ये सारे these are the hints given by that person to Bipin Chaudhary. Then Bipin Chaudhary starts asking Ranchi में. Now Bipin Chaudhary realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. He smiled and said, "Do you know who am I?" The man raised his eyebrows, bite his tongue, and said, "Do I know you?" Who does not know Bipin Chaudhary? Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi." So in this para, Bipin Babu actually realizes that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. This line means that बिपिन बाबू को यह एहसास होता है कि यह गलती उनकी नहीं है, कि उनको याद नहीं आ रहा है, यह गलती उस व्यक्ति की है जो उनसे ये सारे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. एंड आफ्टर दैट बिपिन बाबू सेज कि वो कभी रांची नहीं गए हैं. एंड उन्होंने एक्चुअली बहुत बार सोचा कि जाना है बट कभी जा नहीं पाए. एंड मुस्कुराते हुए ही आस्क फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन दैट डू यू नो हु एम आई, क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो मैं कौन हूँ. एंड इन रिप्लाई टू दैट क्वेश्चन मैन जो है अपना आईब्रो थोड़ा सा जो भाव होता है उसको रेज करता है, अपने दांतों को चबाते हुए बोलता है कि मैं आपको जानता हूँ. आपको कौन नहीं जानता है? बिपिन चौधरी. इस तरीके का जवाब जो है the man Parimal Ghosh gave to Bipin Chaudhary. Then after Bipin Babu was still busy towards the bookshelves, choosing the books which he wanted to read, and saying some lines, नहीं अभी भी आप गलती कर रहे हो, still making a mistake. बिकॉज वन ऑफ और ये हो जाता है, गलतियाँ हो जाती है, लोगों से होती है गलती, क्योंकि मैं कभी रांची नहीं गया हूँ. आफ्टर हियरिंग दिस रिप्लाई, लेट अस रीड व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. द मैन नाउ लाफ्ड अलाउड. व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, मिस्टर चौधरी? You had a fall in Hundru and cut your right knee. I brought you iodine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhart the next day, but you could not because of the pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow. You said you did not like hotel food. You would prefer to have meals cooked by a babarchi. In this para, the man says many things. वो व्यक्ति जो है काफ़ी ज़ोर से हंसता है और वो बिपिन चौधरी से बोलता है कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो मिस्टर चौधरी? आपको याद नहीं है कि आप हुंड्रू फॉल में गिर गए थे और आपके राइट नी में कट आ गया था, एंड उसके बाद मैंने आयोडीन ला के उस पर लगाया. देन आई हैव अरेंज्ड अ कार फॉर यू टू गो टू नेत्रहाट. आपको दूसरे दिन नेत्रहाट जाना था, तो आई हैव अरेंज्ड अ कार. एंड आप दूसरे दिन नेत्रहाट नहीं जा पाए बिकॉज आप बहुत ज़्यादा पेन में थे. क्या आपको कुछ भी याद नहीं आ रहा है? और उसके अलावा परिमल घोष बताते हैं समवन एल्स, यू नो, आप वहाँ पे रांची में जब आए थे तो आप वहाँ पे पहले से किसी को जानते थे, मिस्टर दिनेश मुखर्जी करके कोई नाम था, और आप उनके बंगलों पे रुके थे. एंड आपने यह भी बोला था कि आपको होटल का खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता, तो इट्स लाइक यू वुड प्रेफर टू हैव अ मील कुक्ड बाय अ बावर्ची. तो आपको होटल का खाना पसंद नहीं था, इसलिए आपने बावर्ची का खाना ज़्यादा पसंद किया. Now let us read the next part. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing, remember? I'll tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? The man said October. No sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making mistake. Good day. But the man did not go, nor did he stop talking. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane, which is why you did not want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him, utter disbelief. Now, in this last para, the man Parimal Ghosh says, actually Mukherjee, Bipin से परिमल घोष बोलते हैं कि आप मिस्टर मुखर्जी के घर पे रहते थे. मिस्टर मुखर्जी अपने सिस्टर के साथ में रहा करते थे, एंड आपका एक बार आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ था अबाउट द मून लैंडिंग. क्या ये सारी बातें आपको याद आ रही है? और एक और बात, यू नो, आई विल टेल यू मोर. आपको और भी कुछ मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. लाइक यू ऑलवेज कैरीड अ बैग विथ योर बुक्स इन इट. आप अपने बुक्स के साथ में एक, यू नो, बैग भी कैरी किया करते थे जब भी आप किसी साइट सीइंग ट्रिप पे जाते थे. क्या मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ या नहीं? आप बताओ मुझे. अब बिपिन बाबू जो है बिल्कुल धीमे आवाज़ में स्पोक क्वाइटली, धीरे धीरे उनसे पूछता है. और उस टाइम जब वो बोल रहे होते हैं तो उनकी आंखें जो है बुक्स के ऊपर होती है. वो ही इज़ जस्ट सर्चिंग और लुकिंग फॉर द बुक विच ही वांटेड टू रीड. सो नाउ ही आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन कि 1958 का कौन सा महीना के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो? तो जवाब मिलता है, ही इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट अक्टूबर मंथ. देन बिपिन बाबू उसको जवाब देते हैं, नहीं सर, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मैंने अक्टूबर मंथ जो है 1958 का अपने एक दोस्त जो कानपुर में रहता है उनके साथ बिताया था. और आप कोई गलती कर रहे हो, आपसे कोई मिस्टेक हो रहा है. और उनको गुड डे बोल करके वो कम्युनिकेशन को क्लोज़ करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन वह व्यक्ति कहीं नहीं जाता है और वो बोलना भी बंद नहीं करता है. और वो साथ में यह बोलता है कि यह काफ़ी आश्चर्यजनक बात है, ये काफ़ी स्ट्रेंज बात है. फिर वह एक घटना का जिक्र करता है जिसमें वह शाम में जो है बेरांडा में, बंगलो का बेरांडा जो है वहाँ पे बैठ कर के वो लोग दे वर हैविंग द टी, एंड वेयर बिपिन बाबू वॉज शेयरिंग अबाउट हिज फैमिली स्टेटस. वो अपने परिवार के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. वह बताते हैं कि उनका कोई बच्चा नहीं है, उनका कोई चिल्ड्रन नहीं है, एंड उनकी बीवी का देहांत जो है 10 साल पहले हो चुका है. उनका एक भाई था जिसकी मौत जो है यू नो बहुत बुरी मौत हुई थी, और वो मेंटल हॉस्पिटल रांची में हो गई थी, जिसकी वजह से वो दोबारा रांची उस मेंटल हॉस्पिटल में दोबारा जाना नहीं चाहते हैं. जब ये सारी बातें हो रही थी, बिपिन बाबू एक्चुअली पेड द मनी. उस वक्त बिपिन बाबू पैसे जो है काउंटर पे पे कर रहे थे और दुकान को लगभग छोड़ने वाले थे. एट द सेम टाइम द मैन वॉज स्टिल लुकिंग एट हिम. वो कंप्लीटली सरप्राइज होकर के, अटर बिलीफ मीन्स कंप्लीट सरप्राइज हो, आश्चर्य मतलब आश्चर्यचकित होकर के जो है वो इन सारी घटनाओं को देख रहा होता है. So dear student, this was the first part of this story, and I would now ask you all to complete the comprehension and answer it in the assignment work. And if you are having any question related to this taught part, you may ask me privately. And if you are having any word meaning problem, you may ask me in the comment section. Now we will meet with the second part of this story, Bipin Chaudhary, Lapse of Memory. Till then, bye, take care, and have a nice day. Thank you.